In this video, we're going to be talking about how to sell on Etsy for beginners and how to set up a shop. Well, if you think you can do it from your application, unfortunately, you can't. So what you need to do is simply go ahead and head into any browser that you prefer using. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and search for etsy.com//sell, just like that. And you're going to be taken to this page right over here, where all you want to do is simply go ahead and make sure that you are logged in. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in into my account real quick. And once you're in this right over here, all you need to do is click on Sell on Etsy down over here. Once you do that, you're going to be on this page right over here. As you can see, all you need to do now is click on Open Your Etsy Shop. Finally, once you've done that, scroll all the way down and click on Let's Do This right over here. Finally, all you need to do is, as you can see, it will ask you a couple of questions. So what brings you to Etsy? Just click on anything and just go ahead and fill out all these questions, whatever you're trying to sell. So click on Start Your Shop after that. And you're going to be on this page right over here. You can simply go ahead and select your shop language, your shop country, your shop currency, whatever it could be. I'm just going to choose a random one because I don't want to waste your time. Simply go ahead and name some kind of your store name. So just like that. And now you need to just go ahead and select your country of residence and your bank account and click on Save and Continue. And once you do that, you will be able to go ahead and list your product. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll